Hello. My good friend Genya Klaiman asked me to come to Indigo Yoga, Richmond Hill, to teach a workshop called Shit Happens. Now, I don't know about you, but I kind of love that title because it's just so true. It's what life is all about. Like right now, here I am standing in Chicago O'Hare Airport, delayed because there's a thunderstorm raging outside. I'm going to get to Ohio much later than I'd planned. The whole day is going to go into a whole rearrangement. And there it is. You know, that's reality. That's what's happening. And quite honestly, I'd rather be down here than up there in a thunderstorm anyway, so I got to deal with it. Now, how do you get to be able to do that in life? I'm not good at it, believe me. There are times I still react. But over the years, because of the various practices that I've learned and that I teach, I've been able to achieve, I think, a much greater state of equanimity. And certainly I've seen this in our Phoenix Rising work with our practitioners who work with clients. Over a period of time, they definitely take on a more Zen-like approach to life and roll with the punches. And because it is a choice, we can either be in reaction or we can be, rolling with the punches and joyful about the whole experience. And it's a choice. Every moment, that choice is there. So how do we get to be able to make that choice more often? That's the kind of thing that I'm going to work with in this workshop called Shit Happens, but you don't have to step on it. So I'm coming soon to Indigo Yoga, Richmond Hill. Looking forward to seeing Genya and all the folks there, and I hope to see you there too. So have a great day.